tilt bracket. To start, unscrew the nut and bolt from the bottom mount of the tilt bracket till they're completely removed. Then using the supplied slot head screwdriver and bolts, begin fixing the top bracket mount to the dedicated slot on the back side of the PTM. Tighten them until they are firm, being sure to not over-tighten them. Next, place the bottom bracket mount into the dedicated slot on the PTM and again fix it into place. You can now slide the bolt back into place. And tighten the nut by hand until you can't turn it any further. At this point, you can begin by using a wrench and the supplied Allen key to tighten the nut until it's flush. Your PTM and tilt bracket are now ready. For this installation, we're using these metal cable ties, which slide perfectly into the cutouts of the brackets. Depending on the size of the pole you're installing the device on, you may have to double them up. Once you're ready and both cable ties are in place, you can begin fixing the device to the pole, making sure the device is facing the general direction you desire. Using a cable tie tensioning gun, simply cut off the excess tails. Lastly, adjust the angle of the tilt bracket so it's facing the exact area you are wanting to capture. And just like that, your PTM is ready to begin capturing data.